Hello guys, I'm just gonna show you guys quickly how to install drupal content management system on your localhost computer. It's really only three steps that you have to um, deal with. Number one is simply just download the Drupal. I would say to download the latest version, obviously, because the latest version it's got all the features and it's like it's got all the updates and everything. So we simply just go click doesn't work here for some reason. Well, very nice. We go to downloads here. We download the Drupal 7.26. This is I guess the latest release. So we just download it, download the zip. I'm just gonna quickly drag that to my desktop so we have it ready to go. So as soon as you download the Drupal, you just basically move it to your local host, which is under XAMPP htdocs. I'm gonna make a new folder here, call it a Drupal final, and just gonna extend this to my new folder that I just created. htdocs Drupal final, it's right there. Hit OK. Take a couple of seconds. So now we did the download part. Now we have to go and create a database on our localhost machine. So I'm just gonna uh, copy all these files, paste it here, so we don't have to uh, go to Drupal 7 point whatever the name was. This is makes it much easier. You just have the files in the Drupal. These are all the files that we are gonna have to install right now. So just quickly gonna show you how to do it. So just open up your localhost slash whatever the name was. I guess it was Drupal final. Here we are. Select an installation profile. Okay, so we just do the standard pre-configured uh, feature. So we hit save. One of the best options that Drupal gives you is basically that it gives you the option to choose your own language or any language uh, simply by clicking, simply by going to the drupal.org, download the whatever language you're looking for, and basically copy it to the files that to where you have all the Drupal files. And doing that, when you come to this page, if it finds any other module or any other languages, it gives you the option to choose that language, that specific language. If not, uh, uh, like uh, like here, we just stick with English because it's English and everybody cool with it. So we hit save and continue. Now here is the second level that I was talking about. Now we have to set up a database. We're gonna go through MySQL, which Jason already taught us how to do. So creating database under localhost, we can basically use different programs, softwares. I personally do use the localhost PHP myadmin, and this is where I have all my databases for my Drupal websites or whatever content management systems I play around with them. As you can see, I got couples here. So just select SQL, which we already know how to work with. We go create database, and we like to name our database final, and hit OK or go. Database has been created successfully, and there it is. Where is it? Here, final. It's just created this database. Now we go back to our home page or the installation page where it's there, and then we put the database name, which is final. Database username, I believe, is root. It is different if you want to install this on the live server, then you have to have all the database information and just simply fill up this boxes. But because I'm doing it on my local, I have to do it with my own databases. Continue. And it goes to the database, it finds it, and now it's installing it on that specific database that I just created. That is going to be for this version of Drupal, which is the final version, and in a second or so I'm going to show you how it looks like. Okay, so this is done, the installation is done. Now you just have to put your site name here. Well, I'm gonna put Aria channel. Site email address doesn't matter. It could be php@gmail.com. Username again doesn't really matter. We can just go 1, 2, 3, 4. Email address. These are dummy. And also, again, if you wanna install the real Drupal and use it for your business or for your own website, you have to choose the right time zone and the right country. Obviously, we are in Canada, so we choose Canada, and then the time zone. You choose basically whatever you like. I'm just gonna stick with what it is right now. For the updates, you can get updates automatically, and emails, because that email I gave them, it's fake, so don't really worry about it right now. And there we are, installation complete. I'm just gonna take you guys to the website. This is the website. Welcome, Aria channel. That's my user. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple, very easy to install. There are tons of things you can do with this template. This is actually empty template, so basically this is a Drupal brand sign or whatever, marked brand. So that's we can change that. Of course, you can put your own logo here, and then of course you can delete this powered by Drupal, but you have to make sure you're using a public license of Drupal if you wanna install any different themes. If not, you can just start building your website from this, and you don't need to install any extra theme. But having said that, I'm just gonna show you how to create one page, add content, basic page, put it about us, body will be text format, again, like I said earlier, I mentioned that there are different modules that you're gonna have to install on the Drupal content management system. One of the modules, one of the important modules, uh, is the the format, the text format that you put in to your website or save it as a content. This is we got just the basic HTML, uh, full HTML. We need a PHP. Uh, Obviously, we need a there are a bunch of important ones that you have to install the modules in the Drupal to be able to code. And again, down the road, if you wanna do SEO on your website, search engine optimization, you have to have a friendly URLs, because as you can see, my URL is totally messed up, and this Google does not like this. Don't worry about this first part because this is me, localhost. That's gonna change, but the rest, it doesn't make any sense. You have to avoid all these characters, spaces, whatever. You have to have a friendly URL to be able to get a rank in Google. But again, that's the SEO part. We don't have to worry about it right now. And you hit save to create that page. Page is being created. About us page, home page, right there. Again, because we don't have much time, I can do so many things on this the team, create pages, create content, play around with the menu. Uh, you can install different modules. You can do customization. You can do so many things. But because we are short on time, that I let you guys figure it out. I'm just gonna quickly show you different Drupal themes that I installed, so you can have some idea how they look like. Drupal 2 is one of them. This is another template. It's a Drupal. I already built all these pages. Contact us, what's new, about us, homepage. Very simple. Again, it's on the localhost, but this template called Impress. Or another one, I have it's Drupal 3. And this one, again, it's an empty template. I just built these pages about contact us, FAQ, and homepage. You can fill it up or do some changes on the website. It's very professional. They look great. You don't have to worry about any graphic. So many organizations or companies are doing this nowadays, and it's fast, easy to learn. There are tons of uh, online resources that you can get help from if you have any question. And again, it's very professional and very easy to deal with. Thanks for watching.